If you take a look at an XPlanar table, or this automation we have in the background, as soon as for kinematic systems, by which I mean X, Y, and Z systems, for example, which we would have needed to move the laser heads hidden behind the closed cell in laser soldering automation, important because of the laser protection class, the total cost of the system is, of course, very quickly made. Compared to a system with 4 kinematics and a table, there are attractive savings. In addition, there is the flexibility that can be achieved, as well as the kinematics, sensors, and actuators required for a classic inline conveyor system. In terms of pricing, the more kinematics a system has, the more interesting it can be.